Hi everyone, Bill Nye here. Today we're going to explore a powerful tool called Microsoft Excel 2019. It's like a digital notebook with superpowers. You can use it to organize information, do calculations, and even make cool charts and graphs. Excel is used by people of all ages, from students to scientists to business professionals. It's a valuable skill to have, and the earlier you start learning, the better. So get ready to dive into the world of Excel and discover how it can make your life easier and more organized. As 7th graders, you're starting to work with more data and information. Excel can help you stay organized and make sense of it all. Imagine you're tracking your grades for different subjects. Excel can automatically calculate your averages and even show you trends over time. Or maybe you're planning a class trip and need to budget your expenses. Excel can help you keep track of costs and make sure you stay within your budget. Learning Excel now will give you a head start in school and prepare you for future success in whatever you choose to do. When you open Excel, you'll see a grid of cells. Each cell is like a little box where you can enter data. Cells are organized into rows and columns. Rows run horizontally and are numbered. Columns run vertically and are labeled with letters. You can also have multiple sheets in one Excel workbook. Think of sheets like different pages in a notebook, each dedicated to a specific topic or project. With these basic elements, you can start organizing your data in a clear and structured way. Section 4. Using formulas and functions. One of the coolest things about Excel is its ability to perform calculations automatically. You can use formulas to add, subtract, multiply, divide, and do much more. Formulas always start with an equal sign. For example, to add the values in cells A1 and B1, you would type equal sign A1 plus B1 in another cell. Excel also has built-in functions that make complex calculations a breeze. For instance, the equal sign sum function can add up a range of cells, saving you time and effort. Section 5. Creating charts and graphs. Data is much easier to understand when it's presented visually. Excel lets you create various charts and graphs to represent your data in a meaningful way. You can create bar graphs, line graphs, pie charts, and more. Excel automatically generates the chart based on the data you select. Charts and graphs help you identify trends, patterns, and insights that might not be obvious from looking at raw data alone. Section 6. Real-world applications of Excel. Excel has countless applications in real life. Here are a few examples. Budgeting. You can create a budget to track your income, expenses, and savings goals. Tracking grades. You can monitor your grades in different subjects and calculate your overall average. Simple data analysis. You can analyze data from surveys, experiments, or other sources to draw conclusions. These are just a few examples of how Excel can be used in everyday life. As you learn more about Excel, you'll discover even more ways to apply its power. Section 7. Conclusion Excel. A valuable skill for life. Learning Microsoft. Excel 2019 is an investment that will pay off for years to come. It's a valuable skill for school, work, and personal life. By mastering the basics of Excel, you'll be able to organize data efficiently, perform calculations accurately, create compelling charts and graphs, make informed decisions based on data. So embrace the power of Excel and watch your skills soar.